Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pop-up form. First, let's plan. Clearly define your pop-up's goal, whether it's collecting email addresses, promoting a special offer, or gathering feedback. Consider the type of pop-up, such as an exit intent, time-delayed, or scroll-triggered option. Think about the content, including headlines, images, and calls to action, to ensure it aligns with your objectives. This initial planning phase is crucial for a successful outcome. Next, you'll need to select the right tool. Many platforms offer dedicated pop-up builders with user-friendly interfaces. Look for features like drag-and-drop editors, pre-built templates, and seamless integration with your existing marketing stack. Some tools provide advanced targeting options, allowing you to show specific pop-ups to different audience segments. Carefully evaluate pricing and features to find the best fit for your website and budget. Now, let's focus on design. Customize the pop-up's appearance to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic, using consistent colors, fonts, and imagery. Craft compelling headlines and clear calls to action that encourage engagement. Keep your form fields minimal and straightforward. Typically, asking for just an email address yields higher conversion rates. A well-designed pop-up is visually appealing and easy for visitors to interact with. Finally, configure your display rules and launch. Decide precisely when and where your pop-up will appear, using triggers such as exit intent, time on page, or scroll depth. You can also target specific pages or visitor segments. Before going live, thoroughly test your pop-up on various devices and browsers to ensure it functions flawlessly and provides a smooth user experience. Once everything is perfect, hit that launch button.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.